how to upload shorts on YouTube. So first thing first, let's open the YouTube app. And now you can see there is plus icon just down below of this section. So just tap on plus icon and make sure your video is portrait. So let me choose any of them. So let me choose the third one, and finally tap on next, and again next. In here you can just customize and enhance your video from here. So let me tap on next, and finally once everything's done, make sure you adjust your or modify your privacy from here. So once everything's done, you can also add your caption in here as well. So finally tap on upload short, and yeah, you will be able to upload your shorts on YouTube successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to upload a short on YouTube. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.